I'm having a ball riding this horse. You videoing? Tag number 902. Tag number 902 is a sure enough beautiful racking horse. Tag number 903, excuse me. Sure enough, good looking paint racking horse. I'm having a ball riding her up and down the road here. She's really nice, easy going. She was easy to catch. I was told that she was broke as a 3-year-old and rode her 4-year-old, and then she has turned out for 6 to 8 months. But she needed a little refresher. It seems like we haven't been riding her for just a second, but a really nice little mare, fancy little mare. I really like her. Ooh, baby. She stands to be right about 15 hands tall. Like I said, she may need a good refresher too, but she's easy going. Stands right at 15 hands tall, good clean legged, beautiful little mare here. She, right here, she ain't got no hair. It's flaked off. I look like she might have been rubbing on it from her previous place. Maybe she is eating out of a manger or something. I don't really know, but it ain't nothing. Good, clean-legged, young, beautiful little mare right here. Price cheap. Price on her is gonna be $800. Really nice, fancy little mare. Really nice. You can get a good look at her bald face here. Big old pretty bald face, good calm eye to her. She has been turned out. She won't sunburn, or she'd already be sunburned. But a nice baby here. Tag number 903, $800.